Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make a one-way glass wall. Okay, first you're going to want to go to the end. And you're going to want to fly like super far out. And you're going to want to make a map. Make sure it's just gray. Now go back to the overworld. Now give yourself an invisible item frame using this command. Now, you can build a glass wall. And put the map on the wall. Now, it looks like a wall is here. You can't see through one side, but through the other you can see perfectly fine. So, yeah.